What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Pfispeed. It is a new day and it is gorgeous out here in Colorado. Jamie's on the dyno right now with a little Civic. 142.
142.
That's a great start, man.
That's what's up.
That's a
beautiful.
Was it? That's a good runner for sure.
It should be a high compression Japanese.
Oh, it's a Japanese high compression one.
Yeah.
Awesome. That's a great way to walk into the shop. The guy's killing it. And then we're gonna go check on Shawn.
It's time to keep working on these front spindles. Where we left off is I was getting ready to drill these. I have them all center punched for where our holes need to be exactly opposite of each other. You can kind of see it there. So we just got to drill a hole that'll accept this in it real nice and tight. Yeah, let's go ahead and set up, find a hole saw, start getting these spindles knocked out.
But he's killing it over there. Something pretty crazy this weekend was Clay Millican, NHRA top fuel dragster. He threw a little Pfispeed sticker on there and ended up going 324.36 miles an hour. Whew. That's wild. I'm gonna drop a clip right here.
Just like you, I am a fan of the Pfispeed YouTube channel. Brent and I have become buddies. He's tuned a lot of fast cars and I wanted to give him a ride on my car. Hopefully we go really fast. Check that out. Pfispeed on the side of the Parts Plus Top Fuel Dragster here in Las Vegas. We're ready to go out there and stomp on that loud pedal.
Goofy's over here. What are you doing, dog? Looks like you got a weight plate. Oh, it's stuck. You've been hard at this thing, man. It's coming together good. Goofy's H2B all-wheel drive CRX getting really close. He's got his transmission now. Full billet transmission to the H22 engine. I think you did a video on it, huh?
Not yet.
Not yet? Oh, well, it's coming. How's it going, man? Hey, you guys made it.
What's up?
Holy smoke.
Holy crap.
This is it.
We got Shawn from S1.
How's it going? Good, good. You guys got this beautiful weather.
Yeah, the weather's perfect today, too. I think you brought it from Florida, bro. This is awesome. Just came wandering into the shop.
Perfect. I see all the Denver's Hondas. It's all here.
Hello. Yeah, they're all here.
Nice to finally meet you. Yeah, he's already sporting. Look.
I know, right?
Hey,
Hi.
how's it going?
It's good to see you.
Yeah.
You guys made it out here. You said you flew in yesterday?
Yeah, we flew yesterday. Got here yesterday morning, actually. And we're here to see you guys and Meticulous, and that's about it.
That's awesome. That's pretty rad you guys can make it out here.
Well, we wanted to drop off that kit in person, and then we always said that we're going to come visit one day, so might as well.
So here you are.
Yeah.
So wild.
Yeah, so.
I think it's super cool.
Is Jamie here too?
Yeah. He's just stuck on the dyno. That sounded good. 141. Could probably use a new vacuum hose on the fuel pressure regulator.
Yeah.
It's a little guitar stringy. Woo. Doo-doo-doo-doo.
So that is the Alpha 6 arms made to replace the OEM style. They'll give you like more wheel clearance.
Oh,
So if
yeah.
you run, like the fatter tires.
Yeah.
You won't have any rubbing issues at all.
Woo!
Yeah. And they're made all OEM specs.
That is
So
awesome.
Everything is in the OEM location. So you guys will like it much more.
It's like Christmas.
So yeah, we kind of packaged it like as if we were going to send it out just in case they would toss it. So the billet rod for the bushings is inside of that paper wrap.
Okay. It's already looking good.
That out and put it in there.
That is nice.
So yeah, so like we said, everything is made to
ball.
the OEM style specs. And
You put it on a
Pull
rod
it in.
make some jumps. And you guys can do the different ride heights right there.
That is awesome.
Pretty cool.
so this is the billet rod. So this is spherical, billet spherical bushings. It might go from this side, I think.
Oh yeah. That is awesome.
And it never rusts because it's stainless
Yeah,
steel,
right?
so.
You can rainbow it out. That is neat.
We didn't bring any camera arms or nothing like that, right?
What do you guys
Sweet,
think?
though. I like the stainless.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Heavy duty.
Yeah. And it's actually a lot thicker metal than the OEM arms. The OEM arms are much thinner than that.
And what models does this arm fit?
This is called the Alpha. Oh, this is still the
88 to 2000 Civic.
Yeah.
88 to 2000 Civic.
Civic and 90 to 01 Integras.
Yeah.
Fits everything. That is rad. And you guys got a YouTube channel as well, don't you?
We do. Just
S1
as
built.
one built.
S1 Built. So visit
yeah.
that and check out all their stuff.
Also, we're gonna do a little giveaway when we get to 10,000 followers.
Woo!
So keep that in mind.
Yes. Very cool.
Great meeting you guys. Great to have you guys in the
Likewise.
Yeah, so cool.
All right. We're gonna start pilot holes for all these. It's always easier to make a small hole than try to just start with a big one. Almost all the way through. Hooray! Yeah, a little tight, but it's there. Ta-da! Well, there's one. 3 more to go. So, got the cups here all cleaned up after drilling the holes in them. And I went ahead and slid my hind ends in there using a piece of 5/8 chromoly here. Just slid through them. And then I lifted it up so the weight is down, hanging on it right there. So it's actually keeping my chromoly rod ends pretty darn straight. So we're gonna go ahead and tack these both in place on the inside and out. And then we'll weld them up. And then we're gonna repeat for the other one. And then we should have our pivot points for both upper and lower ball joints. Well, these are finally cooled down. I mean, it's still a little warm. 90 degrees, which is nice. Keeps the hands nice and warm. So now what we need to do is, this still needs to get mounted to that plate. In doing so, we need to make sure that we have a left and a right. So I'm gonna go ahead and set them up on the table. All we need to make sure is that our bottom high edge here are both on the bottoms, and we have a caliper on opposite sides. Because at this point we haven't welded on our steering arms, so we could actually put it on either side. So it's not a big deal, which would either put the calipers on the front or the back, which we're gonna opt for the front. So that was Shane's decision.
Yep.
He went around, looked at all the Hondas, all the front wheel drives were mounted on the front side of, all the rear wheel drives had their front and rear calipers on the back side. We just got to make sure these are nice and square, like this way, up and down. So I'll measure to the centers of the bolts, to the center of this on both sides, make sure they're square, and we will go ahead and weld them up.
So Shawn takes a dial caliper and he measures the top and the bottom for the distance between the caliper and the ball joint.
Sweet. There we go. Now I can tack the cups on the brackets, then I can disassemble it and then weld them up completely.
Down, down,
Always remember to throw a like, drop a comment, subscribe, and check out our merch at pfispeed.com. Alright guys, well there we go. It's all welded up. So I think that's about gonna do it tonight, guys. Those need to cool down, and it's been a long day. But tomorrow we're gonna be working on some control arms, and I can't wait to hang some wheels on this car. So hope you guys tune in and catch this next bit, because it sure is gonna be cool, and I hope you enjoy it too. Woo! Hot spindles. Hot spindles. What up, dude?
What's up, dude?
Hot spindles. Hot spindles.
Oh man. So don't touch them?
Don't touch them. I mean, you can try to touch them.
I don't want to. Woo! I can feel the temp from here. Dude, those turned out good.
Thank you.
Yeah, so this is the top, or this is the bottom?
Bottom.
That's the top. So then we just got a steering once you get that figured out, and then put your miscellaneous cups on there, and then have some arms off them.
Yep.
Yeah, that's gonna be great. Yeah, the color. Woo!
Especially on the back of this.
Yeah, you like look at these.
Don't even put paint on them.
Come back. Wait
End
for
the
it.
recording right there, and then try again.
It's coming.
There you are.
So those turned out epic. Those are awesome. So good. Can't even believe it. And that'll be a little stronger, a little better than the little Honda knuckles that we had on here. So those are...
I'm just laughing because I assume.
You would.
It works.
You would.
It works.
Jerk.
Well, we'll make it a little safer right here and stronger. And
Yeah, that's badass.
I like it's just
Woo!
normal Honda bolts on everything. We have a million of those laying around.
Yeah, all the good stuff. Yeah, once they cool down, put our brakes on, then they'll really look like a pair of knuckles.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. Cool, man. I dig it. Dig to dig it. Dig to dig it. Woo! Wee. Let me tell you what you've won.
Now grab this one and spin it.
Yeah, right.
Got somebody.
Got him.
That's what I was going for.
Couldn't put a glove on. Like you said, all we've got now is the steering arm to do, and then make upper and lower control arms, and then the knuckles go on the bully, and then it's a roller. Then we can get the steering rack done and turbo kit
Well,
done.
we'll still have to figure out the shocks, so close to a roller.
Yeah.
But yeah, then we can get that figured out. That is our last big
use
hurdle.
like what was on here.
Yeah.
Is that what we're trying to do?
We're just trying to do.
Okay, because that's something I don't feel like we've ever discussed.
No, we haven't, because we don't know heights and stuff yet, honestly.
Yeah. Okay.
Depends on those misalignment deals. So, you know, if Javi's, yeah.
To his brother.
Yeah, if they can get those.
Back probably done tonight.
So if he's got those done tonight, and we can get them by the morning, or
Are those misalignments for your arms or something?
Yeah, they're for my upper
For your
upper and
upper
lower
joint?
ball joints.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was wrong with them? I didn't really see them.
They were just so where we order them from doesn't specify what ball size it is.
Gotcha.
So the uniballs we have are like inch and a quarter uniball, and that was like an inch and 5/8, inch and 3/4 size ball. So they were just a little. Yeah, they didn't turn nowhere near where we needed them to.
Okay.
so a little machine work, and hopefully that's back up and going.
Yep.
And meanwhile, we got some of the engine parts. We got the rods, the bearings, the block fill, the springs and retainers.
Retainers.
so we can get on
water parts.
all the water parts, so we can get on the engine. Jamie and I will jump on that.
Yep.
Try to get that all knocked out. And
pistons here. So
yeah.
The crank's the only thing we're really waiting for. These are all here. Head gaskets.
So we're getting there. We're getting closer.
So big thank you to P2R on that stuff.
And then with John Jacobs tranny,
We're waiting on stuff.
okay, we're just waiting on parts.
Probably be tomorrow.
The shaft, hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay.
If that stuff doesn't show up, then it's just gonna be put it together or steal that train. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't even.
Kind of stressing about that one.
Next video we should be doing the control arms, so we can get the spindles on the car and get everything going there, and start filling that side of it, where we can get wheels and tires on it, figure out where the shocks need to go, and the steering rack. Because Shawn said his goal is by Wednesday or so to be started on the turbo parts. So
That's my goal.
that is the goal. Yeah, today's Monday, so it's go time.
We're like a week from leaving.
Yeah, not a lot of time and a lot to do.
Go time.
Whether it's done or not, we're working on it, so we're trying.
So if it comes down to it, I think we just need a tether system on the trailer. And I can drive, we can put a headlamp on you, and you can just be
Click,
putting
click,
it
click.
together. Roll Texas Pride.
Oh man. Well, we're gonna keep giving it our best shot, but it's really looking good. I think Shawn's done a killer job. Everyone drop the Shawn's done a killer job in the comments, please, because it's pretty awesome. I'm way digging it, man. You know, it's been in our heads for a long time, and pulling the trigger is always kind of hard, because, you know, it's not just me, but my boys and stuff and family, they've always dug what it was. I want to see it go fast, just like you all do, so that's all I'm determined to do. So work it out, make it fast. So that's going to do it for this episode. Appreciate you guys watching. Give us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow.
Come here, kitty. My daughter named her Lily. And then somebody was like, why don't you name it Turbo? It's Turbo.
Thank you guys for tuning in to Brent's channel. PFI is awesome.
This Parts Plus car has some potential. Not Clay Millican to the top.